But one of the interesting things there, Dave, is that part of the exercises I do is when I ask, what do you want to be famous for? Now, I was dealing with people who are on the factory floor in messy, cold conditions in food manufacturing. And it's not a fun environment. So I was dealing with the supervisors and what's called the team leaders. And we'll be working through this, and I'd say, all right, what do you want to be famous for? And as part of the gift of gab, B is for behavior. So the exercise I give them is, I'd like you to come up with 3 attributes that you would like your work colleagues to say about you, the people who are reporting into you or you're giving orders to, etc., when you're not in the room. And with about 140 people, I think, over across the 4 different states that were the supervisors and team leaders, without exaggeration, over 100 of those little post-it notes had words like, what do you want to be famous for? Compassionate, kind, empathy. All of those words were consistently popping up. And here's the thing, Dave, tell me what job spec says that people should have empathy, be compassionate and be kind. You'd be pushed to find anything. Maybe empathy pops up now and again. But the fact is that the things that the people they're working with want your boss or your leader to be is to listen to you, to be empathetic, and to show some compassion.